Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to MTF Mugod the Fixer. So today we're gonna be busy with this bus over here. It's a 1969 bus. I did a couple of videos when I was studying my channel, but then this bus I'm not in a hurry to finish it up because it needs a lot of work. But then today I'm going to try to take out the fuel tank. Has that petrol tank over there, so we're going to try to take it out and inspect it to see if it has any rust holes, or if it can be used again, or I need to get another one. As you can see, the bus is rusted, but not that much. It is savable. If you go back and watch the videos that I did a while back, you see that you see that I try to get rid of the rust outside by just priming it and then sealing the outside of it. But then, as you can see here, it has some couple of rust. But then today is not about, we're not going to talk about the rust. We're going to take out the fuel tank or the petrol tank and inspect it to see if it can be used again, or try to get another one. I did try to take out a couple of tanks a while back for this bus over here, and then this other one here, and that other one over there. Although that bus I'm using it for spare parts, or I might just swap it with for a beetle because my friend wants it. So but then I haven't decided yet, so I'm only left with 3 buses, I guess, minus that other one. Yeah, so back to this bus over here. So when taking out the fuel tank, you need to take out these straps right here. 1, 2. The straps, they are held by a nut down here, so just get that nut out, and then this other one out, and then you push it up, because it is clamped. So it has been clamped since 1969, I think. So it had some rust over here, and then they used glue, so it will be kind of hard. So you need to just push it up, and then it will go like that thing almost scared me. I thought maybe it was a lizard or something, because you can see that I haven't cleaned it in here. I had this bus for, I think it's been 3.5 years now. So I just do bit by bit up until I try to finish it up. Okay, back to the gas tank. So take out the nut here, then you take out that clamp over there, and then you try to to push it up, and then try to wiggle it, and then it will get out. So let's take out those 2 nuts, and then I will bring you back. Alright guys, I'm gonna need to take out the nuts. It's the nut that I'm talking about in here. Not sure if you can see. Here is it. So I need to take it out. So then this one already taking it out. So what happens is that it is held in place by this strap over here, and then it goes in here, and then you tear it down so that it doesn't wiggle around. So with this, sorry for the shaking guys. Alright, here is it. It is out. So let's try to let's try to loosen that clamp over there. So try to loosen this clamp over here. Come on. think it's loose, so let's try to wiggle it. Let me bring you back after I've taken it halfway. So basically what you do is just you wiggle it up and down. Okay, let's take out this. Sorry for the shaking, guys. I don't have a stand. So what you do is that you just wiggle it up and down like that. I think that clamp is still holding it. Let me try to get it out and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, so I managed to push that lamp out of the way. So what's gonna happen now is just that pipe, this pipe is the pipe that you pour in petrol from or gas, and then it enters in here. It goes all the way out. It goes all the way out to the outside. So to the gas cap, I think, or the petrol cap. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is just to wiggle it out. I think it might be, it is loose. Yeah. So as you can see, it popped out over there. So now what you're going to do is coming out. Nope. Okay. Wow. Oh man. It is packed in here. Wow. That is what you call 60, is it 60? No, 50 something years of packing. Rats, lizards, what do you call this? I don't know what you call this. Is it mudhoppers or what? I don't know. Okay, but we will clean that up afterwards. Might not be today. Maybe we'll do a video cleaning it up in here, try to make it look nice. But then today we are after this gas tank, but then it is out. So let's try. What we're going to do is try to inspect it to see if it is still usable, or we're going to need another one. There is no gas in here, that one I'm 100% sure. Let me get a light. Wow. Oh man. I think there is rocks in here. I think they've thrown rocks in here. I'm not sure if you can see it. There are rocks in here. Trying to get, but I think it will help. Just pour in diesel and then shake it up, and then those rocks will help in cleaning up the tank. So let's inspect the down part of it and see if it is not rusted through. Where is it? This right here. I think we're going to use this one. Very difficult to get another tank like this one. Let's inspect it more on the sun. outside of the light, man. I don't mean on the sun. All right, guys. So here it is. That gas tank. I think if we just clean it up, I think yeah, it is still usable. It's just surface rust. Yeah, I think we'll use this tank. Yeah, I think we'll go with it. Just need to change this one right here, and then yeah, I had another tank that it was rusted through. I think it came out of this pass right here, so couldn't use that one. It was rusted. It had a big hole right here, so just had to throw it away. Alright, I think I still do have it, but I'm not sure. But if I have it, I'll show you. But I'm not sure if I still do have it. But anyway, we got the gas tank out, so yeah, we'll try to clean it. I'll put out another video on how to clean it. Get some diesel, put it in here, shake it, then see what comes out. But then for now, I don't want the video to be that long, so yeah, again, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want to see this kind of videos. I'll do another one. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if I've said anything wrong, if I've didn't do it right. Let me know, then next time I'll try to do it right. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.